and tomorrow it's a new picture that we want to open. We want to give a new picture to our team, to our memories. Selamat malam. Tomorrow we're gonna have a tough game, tough match. Borneo is a strong team. Many players for have a second good line also, so they can change. They have more time preparation than us. At home, Borneo is very, very strong. I think here they won all the matches. I think just draw against Rans. I think Borneo is one of the teams that have good possibility to fight to be champion. Normally here on Samarinda they have good environment on the stadium. I hope that tomorrow can be a good game. I hope that tomorrow not be like a game like I have my memories last season on Piala President when we lose here 2-1, and after 17 minutes when Borneo are winning 2-0, 2-1, the game is finished because the bola disappeared. But I believe that now change the things, and tomorrow we're going to see a good match. For sure the supporters from Borneo come to support Borneo. Unfortunately, we come from a big travel. We are travel since 19. So we travel on 19, on 20, on 21. We play on 21. We travel on 22, 23, 24. We arrived today, so it's going to be tough. Also because our aeroplane or bus, it's too much time travel. But tomorrow I think going to be a good game, and I hope that we can make a good performance.
Ya, terima kasih. Saya mewakili pemain. Tentunya kita besok sebagai pemain harus menunjukkan permainan terbaik karena kita tahu tim Borneo adalah tim yang kuat. Apalagi dia bermain di kandang. Selama dia bermain di kandang dia belum pernah kalah. Dan meskipun itu kemarin kita baru saja melakukan yang seperti bilang coach, perjalanan yang sangat panjang, tapi itu tidak bisa dijadikan alasan. Meskipun begitu kita harus memperlihatkan permainan terbaik besok, dan kepada supporter dan pendukung kita jangan lupa berdoa dan terus mendukung kita apapun hasilnya besok. Terima kasih.
Terima kasih.
Of course, get big influence because we make big travel for there, and after big travel to come, and it's totally different. Opponent team, he's on his city, waiting for us, too much time to prepare. So we cannot be stupid. If I say no, if I say that is different competition. We enjoy to play FEC Cup. Unfortunately, the last match was not good to us because we make many mistakes starting the preparation for the match. Also, we cannot count with all the players that we want. This cannot happen on the future with Makassar or other club that want to have a possibility to get good results. So tomorrow it's not going to be a Makassar 100% because we know that unfortunately it's impossible because the players are not robots, are not machines. But we're going to try. We're going to try with what we have, try to analyze what are the players that are in better conditions for the game tomorrow, and try to focus on the match tomorrow because what the last match already passed, and we just need to learn the mistakes that we take to try to not repeat. And tomorrow it's a new picture that we want to open. We want to give a new picture to our team, to our memories, and to have a good picture, we need to work hard because Borneo is a strong team, going to play at home. The last time that PC Makassar get points here, I think was 2018, so 5 years. So it's going to be very difficult. Terima kasih.